What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today's part 2 of engine swapping the Golf R, and we got some help today. Right now he's undoing the axles, and I'm just filming him. So that probably took 5 minutes on each side to get the axles out, so they're all popped out. Last thing we have to do is the drive shaft.
Could have been 2 if you had the right
I didn't have the right tools, but I got the right tools now. So we just gotta do the drive shaft, and then she's pretty much ready to come out. So the next step we gotta do is take off the all-wheel drive, but it looks like we're going to have to lift the car up because to twist the drive shaft around to get to all the bolts. So hopefully it's another 30-second thing like the axles were.
There's no way we're getting the... Hey!
Drive shaft is disconnected now. Next step is to literally pull the motor. And you know, we gotta put this in. The last time we pulled a motor, we used straps and not chains.
Straps would have worked if we didn't try lifting up the whole car.
So I'm gonna put that little clip of us dropping the Civic motor in right now. Hopefully we don't do that again because we got changed this time, and this actually has hoist points instead of what the hell we were doing last time. So wish us luck. So we did have the motor free there for a minute, but it looked like the exhaust was still holding on. So we're moving the heat shield because that heat shield also looks like it's a bracket that holds it together. So we're taking that off. Nice. Heater core hoses are a bitch and a half. This man right here went under the car and got a mouthful of coolant from doing the heater core hose. Learn from mistakes. Keep your mouth closed when you're getting heater core hoses out. So I'm gonna put a screenshot of a kid like eating something sour because when he came out from under the car, that's exactly what he looked like. He just had this most like. We have one more coolant hose that's like behind the motor we have to get, and then that should be the last one. Then we have one connection that's somewhere back there, but we can get that once we pull it out a little bit more. There's a lot of slack on the wires. We just pull it out, and then she will be free and out, and I can put her down. As you can see, the motor is out and we didn't drop it like last time, so we did pretty good that time. Next step really is now to get the other motor over here and transfer all the accessories and transmission and shit. So with the engine out of the car now we have to do the next thing, and which is pretty much just take all the accessories off of the old motor and put it on the new one. So that's pretty much the turbo, the alternator, the AC compressor, and the belts. And I think that's all I need to transfer over, and then we gotta take the transmission off, put the flywheel in the new motor, put the new clutch in, and then throw her back in the car. I'm gonna say that ratcheting wrenches are probably the most important tool when taking this thing off, because this thing is surrounded in heat shields and they're really hard to get to, so a regular ratchet can't reach. So this is working pretty well for me. So pick up a pair of ratcheting wrenches. Only a little battle, but we got the frickin' turbo off. Now looking under the new block, it looks like I'm going to take all the pressure fittings off of this block and transfer them over, which I'm a little bit nervous about, but it shouldn't be too big of a deal to do that, so it's gotta disconnect more turbo lines, I guess. I did that thing where I forgot to document everything I was doing again because I was in the frickin' zone, but got some good news. Got the transmission off. Next thing to do is take off the clutch and flywheel and pressure plate and everything, because I am reusing the flywheel for my new block. Gotta take off the rest of the coolant lines, which there really isn't much more. And then we just gotta transfer everything to the new block and it can go back in the car, which is super exciting. Definitely a bit of a toasty clutch here. Not the worst I've ever seen in my life, but not the best either. So I am actually going to finish off the video here. The only thing I have left to do really is take off the flywheel and take off the rest of the coolant lines, which will take 5 minutes. But hopefully next video, the engine is actually in the car and we finish it up. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So comment, like, subscribe, keep doing all the fun stuff. Keep you and you, stay motivated. See you guys next time. Peace out and peace.